I've got a Dodge Ram 2500. It's an older truck, a 2003, and the headlights are really dim. So I've got this set of C-Light upgraded LED low beam lights that I'm going to install. These were sent to me with this whole kit, and here's everything you're going to get in the box. This is the bulbs that fit my particular vehicle. They come with this cooling fan built into the back of the bulb here, as well as a remoted wiring harness here for this plug to go into my vehicle harness. Here's the bulb itself. You can see the LED panels there on each side. I've installed these in my other vehicles with great success. I'm really looking forward to what it does on my Dodge Ram. You get both of these. These are going to be fit to your specific vehicle. You can see they come with all kinds of different options in terms of which type, X1 through 6, and then which model. A lot of these have different H values for the type of model, but there's others as well, these HB4s, HB5, HIR2. So you got to get the specific one for your vehicle. And one thing they mention in a card that they give you is that the bulb might be different for the same make and model vehicle. It might use a different bulb, so you're going to want to look at yours and see exactly which is the one that you're going to need. Some vehicles also, they get a malfunction on the dashboard. A check light comes on. You might need this intermediary harness to go in between the bulb and your harness of your vehicle so that you don't get those errors. And their customer support's great. They can help you with that. You also get in this kit some tie wraps. You get 4 of these, a detailed instruction manual that talks to you about the installation process and do's and don'ts, what to do. You've got some details here explained on how to do that install. And I'm going to show you how to do that on my vehicle right now. You also get a pair of gloves here, some real soft cotton gloves that you can use to do the installation. You want to make sure that you're never touching any of your bulbs, either the halogen style or these LED styles. You don't want to get oils on this and then damage the bulb when it gets hot, because they do put out a lot of light and they do get warm. So that's everything you're going to get in this kit. Let's get it installed in my truck and see how it goes. Here's what the original headlights look like. You can see they've got like a yellow color and they're kind of dim. We're going to first take this headlight assembly out, and that involves just a screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. So go ahead and open up the hood. And then the screwdriver is going to be needed just for this part right here. There's a little screw holding this rubber seal, so we'll remove that. $10mm bolts here and here, and there's going to be one under here. This is a temperature sensor, so make sure you replace this when you put the headlight assembly back in. And then with those removed, you can take the headlight and just slide the whole thing forward. Now I've got 2 harnesses here. This is for the directional light, and this is for the low headlight here that we're going to replace. To remove the light, you're going to turn this collar, and then you're going to pull the bulb straight out and slide this collar off here. And now I'm going to unhook this blue clip. That. And now I've removed the old headlight, and I've got this plug here that's going to plug into my little extended harness on the back of my new bulbs. And then here's my new bulb with the extended harness on the back. I'm just going to plug this into here and lock it into place. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my new bulb, lock it in place, and do that quarter turn. Then I'm going to take that bracket and lock it in place. Like that. Now putting the light back in is the same as removal, just do it all in reverse. You're going to want to make sure you line up this peg here and this little clip here into the fender. That'll help align all the bolts. We'll do a quick test. And we have light. To give you an idea of the comparison, here's the original light on the bottom. And then now on the top here, we'll show you the improved LED light. And you can see it's farther on that white spectrum. It's not a yellow color. It's much fuller, brighter, and definitely going to illuminate out into the distance better than the original lights. Here's a view of what these headlights look like now. Quite a bit brighter. We're really illuminating the road well. And I go to high beams and I get even farther distance. So yeah, definitely working great. I'm glad I put these LEDs in. These will last a long time and give me a much better view at night. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.